Someone over there on Twitter just tweeted it to me to take a look at it, and that is what we're going to do here. So right now, TXTM, ProText Mobility Inc., currently trading at 0007. It is a trip stock, and that's okay because we look at them all. The next one we're going to be looking at is Boeing, and that's way up there. So we go from triples to hundreds of dollars. Look, you know what? The obvious here is looking to. This looks a lot like a chart that we looked at earlier. So I had to double check my sheet here. So right here, this range that you're seeing is literally a year right here. A lot of days with no trades. A lot of silence here, okay? You get on September 12th, a little bit of volume. October 28th, a little bit of volume. Compared to where we're at right now, I mean, you're at 582 million shares traded yet on Friday, but we're looking at November 19th of 2015. You had 7 million shares on September 12th this year, 6.5 million. And October 28th, you had 24 million. And then it kind of went silent. You had, well, not really silent, but you had 2.5 million, but not a lot of trading. I mean, you had some days here with 500,000 shares traded, a few million, but then out of nowhere, and I'm sure that if something was going on with the company, Joe's probably going to find that. But Jobham over here in the chat, TXTM News Today, so he had that in there. Thanks a lot for doing that. On December 7th. December 7th is when this volume really started coming back in. What we're seeing happen right now is a little bit of a pullback into the upper Bollinger Band. So, I mean, coming off of this huge gain at 0001, hitting a high of 0009, you might be like, oh, that's not a big difference. It is a big difference. It's a huge gain. Couple 100% easy, 800%, 900%, whatever it might be. But yeah, you're coming straight off of that. That's a huge gain. You're going to have some selling. Right now, I'm going to put this at 0007 on a hold, because there's not too much history in the chart. But if you're interested in this, I would go ahead and hold off a little bit and see how the market reacts. Is it going to hold its gains? Is it going to stay up here in the 0005, 0006 area? It did hit a low of 0006 today. Could drop down a little bit more, but that's what we want to pay attention to, how this starts playing out from here. So that is all I have to add for TXTM. Like I said, I'm going to put this one on a hold. Yeah, if Joe wanted to add anything into this.
Well, I was just looking over at their filings, and let's see. There was a 14C on May 5th, and then it goes right up to an 8K on December 7th. And that was where they announced on September 1st and September 11th, 2015.
Joe, give me a second here. I'm gonna pull up something. I'll be right back.
Okay. All right. So do I keep going? Is that what you're saying? Or you're just not gonna be around? All right. So the company accepted the resignations of Steve Berman is the interim CEO, and Frank Chester as a member of board of directors, respectively. The resignations were not a result of any disagreement with the company or its executive officers or any matter relating to the company's operation policies or practices. And then on September 12th, 2015, the company appointed David Lewis an interim executive officer. Mr. Lewis was previously serving as the board of directors as the executive director and remains in that capacity. So, I mean, this is pretty much it. And that was, in 2015. Wait, no, but why is it coming back now? So they received this SEC filing on December 7th, but this period ending was for 2015. Yeah, yep. Yeah, all right, so David.
Yep.
All right, this 8K that I'm looking at right here that was received on December 7th, 2016 is for the period ending in September of 2015. So, I mean, that was that. But then there was a press release also on actually today. So, ProText Mobility Incorporated, TXTM, ticker symbol, launched his new website and social media channel. So ProText announces the company has launched a new website located at, and it's www.protextm.co. And the company has additionally launched a new social media channel via Twitter, and they leave the link to that. And we look forward to communicating, updating shareholders and interested parties and regulatory filings via Twitter account. And we look forward to providing updates in the near future. So I mean, it really that one right there from September 15th is when the interim CEO, they announced that right there. David Lewis came in. So I mean, maybe they're working on getting their filings up to date and everything else. I mean, I don't know. It's anybody's guess right now, but I mean, at least they're showing activity. So, as who was it that said it? Job them, trade it or whatever it was.
Right.
What do you say, job them when I asked you a question about a stock? It was something like that.
Yeah,
Follow
I
the
asked
volume.
him what was up
Yeah.
with it because I got a shout out from Twitter. So, yeah, like I said, 0007 right now. I would go ahead personally on an analysis part. Just go ahead and hold on it, wait to see what happens here, and that's because there's not too much history on it.
Mm-hmm.